Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to quickly untangle a cable easily, and this will be a tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a cable that is tangled up, and I'm going to be honest with you, I tangled this right now on purpose. So this doesn't really represent that much of a reality, because maybe your cable is going to be a little bit more tangled than this, but this is basically as tangled as I could make it. So for the most part, this is going to represent as close to a real life tangling situation as I could sort of recreate. So here's my process for untangling stuff like this, because I'm really good at this kind of stuff. You got to start off at the ends and work your way in towards the center. And as you start off at the ends, okay, and you work your way in towards the center, you're going to get rid of any knots and any twists. You have to use your eyes. Don't just start pulling things. You got to use your eyes to see what's wrong. So if I look right here, immediately, we're going to start off with this end over here. If I look right here, immediately, I know that this is tucked in there, right? If I pull it through, so I'm going to follow it from over here. I'm following it right here. If I pull it through, I'm going to free up that end. Right? Perfect. I've now freed up the end. Okay, now I look and I can immediately see a knot, right? So I can take this end and I can feed it through there. I'm following it, so I can feed it through there and I can get rid of that knot. So I fed it through there and now I got rid of that knot. Okay, now it's on the inside over here. I'm not going to deal with that just yet. I want to free up this end over here. Okay, and basically I can see over here, once again, here's the end. And if I follow it in from this end, if I follow the cord in, I see right here, I can pull it through and it frees it up a little bit. And now it looks like there's a twist and a knot, according to what I can see. So we're going to untwist it first and foremost, just like that. I've now untwisted it, and then now I have a knot over here. So what I can do is I can pull it through, and that gets rid of the knot, just like that, okay? And now, as you can see, we have, it looks like a double knot over here, it looks like there's a knot right over here, then it looks like it's looped through over there. So I'm going to go through the loop by pulling this end through like this. Okay, and then now, once again, I'm going to pull the end through like this. Okay, so it's calculated. That's the idea. And then we have a final knot in the middle. And let's say the knot, I'm not going to pull it tight, but let's say it was super tight. We would have to loosen it up first, right? I have to loosen it up by pushing those ends through. Once it's loose enough, you can just untangle it like that. Really, really easy to do. Now, the key is, you start off with the ends and you work your way to the middle, because it's easier to deal with the ends first. And it's also easier to deal with the middle once the ends are free and untangled. So that's the process. And it's calculated. We're not just pulling things. It's calculated. If you're going to just pull things because you can't tell what's happening, then gently pull to see what moves. If you just pull things randomly, you're probably going to end up making it worse. Or I don't want to say you're probably, but you might end up making it worse, or getting it to be tighter, and getting it to be more tangled. So you might make the situation worse, right? You might make it better, but you might make it worse. Whereas when you calculate it and you figure it out, you are very likely to make the situation better. So that's what we're working with here. We're trying to make the situation better, through likelihood and not worse. And yeah, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. Hopefully you can, hopefully you can get your cables untangled nice and easily. But yeah, with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.